everyone, you're welcome to Franka's kitchen. So in here I've got two oatmeal, but I prepare them in different ways. Two processes. So if you want to know how I arrive at making it the regular and the irregular process of oatmeal swallow, please stick around and then we'll give our verdict. Yeah. Now don't mind what's here. These just spinach sauce, spinach soup that I made. Not efforiro, but spinach. So let's go into the video. everyone, you're welcome to Franka's kitchen. So in here I've got two oatmeal, but I prepare them in different ways. Two processes. So if you want to know how I arrive at making it the regular and the irregular process of oatmeal swallow, please stick around and then we'll give our verdict. Yeah. Now don't mind what's here. These just spinach sauce, spinach soup that I made. Not FRANKA'S, but spinach. So let's go into the video. So we are done. This is the testing process now, the favorite process. Here is the one for the microwave. It's very stretchy and starchy. Very stretchy and starchy. And this is the texture I want mine to be. So it's still the same fufu. It's still the same fufu. So I just let me show you the process on how I do mine, especially when I'm hungry. Now this one is still like if you watch, it's not as stretchy as this one, the one of the microwave, and the one that I used water to do. But they're all fufu. They're all oatmeal. So this one is like regular, your akpu, your eba, and all the same texture, your pounded yam. This one still has the same texture. I'm hungry now. But this one's still stretchy. This one is kind of hard. See? If you've not tried this one before, I'll urge you to try it because it's faster. You're not wasting any time. It's just for you. So for make things easier, always have blended oatmeal in your house. Then this process of microwave will be easier. So at this moment, I want to say bye-bye. Don't worry, I'll do the judging myself and give the score in my stomach. I want to say thank you very much for stopping by. So this is my part 2 of oatmeal, episode 2 in my oatmeal series. So at this moment, I want to say thank you very much for stopping by. I hope you like one of these and see you in my next video. And if this is your first time, please do stay with this family. Like, comment, and subscribe. And share, of course. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.